Hello, good morning dear student. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to carry out our first experimental part, that is synthesis of benzylic acid from benzyl. So we have discussed the experimental part, the theoretical aspect, mechanism, how the reaction is carrying out. We know that this reaction is a rearrangement reaction, not an condensation reaction, not an addition reaction. This reaction, the synthesis of benzylic acid from benzyl, is the rearrangement reaction. Here we are comparing, in your syllabus it said that we have to compare both the methodology. So green modification, how we are modifying means how we are converting this methodology into the green chemistry method, that is by carrying out the DST monograph method. How we are modifying, what and all the chemical we are adding and what chemicals we are replacing because of hazardous nature of those kind of reagents. So those we are replacing means this is the modification method of synthesis of benzylic acid from benzyl. Here we have discussed that in the classical method, that is conventional method, we are having two steps. In the first step we are getting the benzyl, that benzyl we are going to utilize to synthesize the benzylic acid. So we have discussed all this experimental part, the theoretical aspect related to the experiment synthesis. So synthesis of from benzoin we are going to synthesize the benzyl. Okay, we are going to synthesize this benzyl. That benzyl we are going to utilize to get the benzylic acid. So these are the two-step method. This is one method and this is second method. Here we can use potassium hydroxide or sodium hydroxide to convert this benzyl into salt form. Okay. So we'll get one more hydroxyl group, that is rearrangement reaction. By rearranging all this thing we are getting one more hydroxyl group on this. So we are going to get the benzylic acid. So here according to our protocol, now what I am carrying out here over here in the demo experiment, I have taken benzoin, that benzoin 10 gram of benzoin. I am going to add that 10 gram of benzoin into the nitric acid. Nitrating, not nitrating mixture, into the nitric acid. Okay. Nitric acid. I have to open the bottle of nitric acid. So 10 gram if I am taking, the calculated amount of that 10 gram I am taking the nitric acid, that is 40 ml nitric acid I am taking. नहीं तो हम कुछ काम कर रहे थे इसलिए, हाँ उसके अंदर डालो, उसके अंदर डालो. So that nitric acid I am adding to, Wasif is adding to the benzoin 10 gram what we have taken. So I think the fumes are visible over here, the nitric acid fumes. ठीक है, those fumes are hazardous to nature. ठीक है, because of that we are replacing this nitric acid. ठीक है, this nitric acid we are replacing with nitric acid. What we'll get the hydroxyl group we can remove with the carbonyl atom. So here we are going, the rearrangement of the bond can be taken place with this nitric acid. Okay, so we'll get the reaction like this. We are going to synthesize benzyl with this benzyne. So that benzyne I have taken in the beaker, I have added the nitric acid. Now I am going to get this structure, that is benzyl. Okay, in the next video we will see the second step of synthesis. Now we have to give some time to this reaction process. Till that we will get the benzyl. Okay, I have added. What I have to do, the next step what we have discussed in the first procedure, I will show you the procedure. In the first procedure, see, nitric acid I have added accordingly, how much measurement I have to take. Now I have to heat this one, I have to boil this mixture for 1.5 hours. So that much time it requires to seize the fumes. Then afterwards I am going to pour this one into distilled water. The moment when I am pouring that one to distilled water, I will get the clear crystal. So we will see the next procedure, next step in the next video. Take care. By that time you try to write the mechanism or reaction of that part. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.